All right, boys and girls, we will be having a form drawing lesson in the morning, just as we have every day this week. I will show you how to make the letter C. First, you go and make a normal C like you're used to. Then make sure you go back up, just even in line with the top of your first C. And then bring it back down and make another C. And you can keep going and warm up and make all of your C's in a row. The important thing is to try and be even on the bottom and try and be even on the top. So our form drawing lesson will give you a chance to practice this. And when it's time to go home and work on your homework, you will see that I have posted 2 pictures. The first picture looks like this, and it's just explaining the same thing that we did in our form drawing lesson. And then the other picture that I posted has the same thing that we did, but in multiple steps. If you want, you can follow along with these multiple steps right here in your form drawing book. The steps look like this. First, just make C's. Then the second step says, bring the C's back up. So you make a C and bring the line back up. Make a C, bring the line back up. Make a C and bring the line back up. This third step looks like this one, where you bring the C back up and then down and around. And I'll show you. Make a C, bring it back up, down and around. C, down and around. C, down and around. Again, this is very similar to what we did in our morning lesson. You have already gotten a chance to practice. This sheet that I posted is just showing you how to take it step by step if you need to take it a little bit slower. Once you feel like you have mastered your letter C, take out your green cursive book and show me a couple letter C's. Just on the first line. We are not going to fill up this whole page because guess what? There's more letters to come. So for today, start here in this middle line. Bring it down, up, and around. Down, up, and around. All the way until you really get the hang of writing the letter C. Make sure you are using a long pencil. If you have a little nubby pencil, it's going to be very difficult. You need a long pencil so that you can control your cursive. Notice how mine are all in a row up here and all in a row down here. That is what you're going for. You can stop right about halfway and then work on your capital C's. Now C is an easy one because they both look the same. One is just bigger than the other. But as we continue with our cursive lessons, you'll see that C is one of the few that looks just the same. So I just wanted to make it very clear. Every morning we will be practicing a cursive letter shape or form drawing. In this case, the first one you'll start off with is C, but each day is going to be a different one. Then when it's time to go home and practice, you can follow along the steps and take it nice and slow so that you really perfect your letter. Once you feel like you have it down pat, you can open up your green book and just taking one line, fill in what you have been practicing on. For example, you will be an expert on the letter C. So the very first row is full of your perfect letter C's. Now tomorrow might be different. Tomorrow we might practice the form drawing shape A, which we will, and we'll get a chance to feel how it feels when we try it out, all in your big book. And then when it's time to do your homework, you can take a look at the picture that I posted that breaks it down step by step, and you can keep practicing all of these steps in your big book. when you finally feel like you have a perfect letter A and that you can connect letter A to letter A, you will go ahead and open up your green book and put them right across here, leaving a space for your capital letter A's. All right, good luck writing in cursive. You're gonna do great. All right, thanks for watching.